Hey everyone, if you are ready to get creative, today's video is all about creating your own character AI bot. Yes, you heard it right. You can build your own AI chatbot, and this is what I love about character AI. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So grab your imagination and let's dive in. First of all, open your character AI. If you haven't an account, no worries, just sign up and it's super easy. Log in and we are ready to roll. I have already logged into my account. Alright, we are inside. Now let's get to the fun part, creating your own bot. Look for the option for the create. You can see it on the bottom left. It's over here. Tap on it. This will open your several options. What we need to create a character AI bot is character. Tap on it. This will take you to the create section. First of all, name your bot. It is your AI identity, so make it count. It could be something super cool like Galaxy Bot or Mysterio or even something quirky. What would you name your bot? Let me know in the comments below. I'm keeping it Valentine. After you enter the name of a character, tap on next. And over here, next, let's give your bot a personality. Do you want it to be super friendly, super sarcastic, or even a little mysterious? You are in control here, so pick in the tone that fits. I'm really curious what's your bot's vibe is. Drop a comment with the idea. So this is the month of February, so I'm keeping it character a little bit romantic. With this traits, you can generate the character personality, and you can also upload your own ideas from here. As it is a AI, let's tap on generate and see what it gives you. This is giving a Valentine a photo. That is your character profile photo. There are 4 photos over here. Let's skip this one. Tap on next. Now it's time for existing your character's greeting. That means how it will introduce yourself at the first of the chat. This is how the fan can introduce themselves. You can use the AI to generate it for you too, or you can write it as I wrote it over here, and under it there's a voice section too. Let's see how's the voice of Valentine.
Journey worth remembering.
This was made by the character AI system self-tested. You can also change it from here. You can see a change over here. Tap on it. Let's select a suitable voice for the Valentine.
Choose me. I'm like a morning coffee, but for your entire day.
Let's embark on dialogues that sparkle.
Lights, camera, action. Bringing Hollywood glam to your command.
So I love this one. Tap on this and tap on select voice. After you are satisfied with everything, tap on next. Now from here you can choose the visibility. You can make it public, unlisted, or private. Let's keep it public. You can make the visibility as you prefer. Then tap on next. And over here you can see more options. Under which you can see an image generation. If you enable it, your character will be able to make an image after you give a prompt. And you can also add a subtitle, description, and a character definition. Let's add some description about Valentine. So it's few sentences you would like Valentine describe themselves. Close it. So you can also add a character definition, and here you can add your bot backstory. Maybe they are a time traveler, a secret agent. Let's keep it as it is. Tap on done. If you are done with everything, tap on create, which is over here. Tap on it. Okay, we have created the character AI bot. So here comes the fun part, testing it out. Go ahead and start a conversation with your new bot. Ask it anything, was how it responds, does it straight through the personality you gave it, and if not, don't worry, you can always tweak it and make it better. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.